Exploring terrain, understanding the phrase, hilly area. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to tackle a descriptive phrase that you might come across when talking about geography, landscapes, or even when planning a trip. We'll delve into the meaning of the phrase, hilly area, and use it in various contexts to enhance your understanding. By the end of this video, you'll be able to visualize and describe a hilly area with confidence. When we describe a place as a hilly area, we're talking about a region where there are a lot of hills. But what exactly is a hill? A hill is a piece of land that rises higher than everything surrounding it, but it's not as high or as steep as a mountain. Hills can be found in rural areas, near mountains, or even within cities as parks or natural landmarks. The key features of a hilly area include rolling landscapes. Unlike flat terrain, hilly areas have a wavy or undulating form. Elevation changes. You'll find the ground level going up and down due to the presence of multiple hills. Gentle slopes. The slopes of hills are typically not as sharp as those of mountains. To paint a clearer picture, imagine driving through a countryside dotted with green, rounded hills. The road curves and tilts as it adapts to the landscape, offering a view that constantly changes. You might see houses perched on slopes, winding paths leading to the top of these hills, and perhaps rivers or streams cutting through the valleys in between. A hilly area can be described as picturesque, often scenic and beautiful, undulating, having a surface that rises and falls, varied in height. Hills can be of different sizes and heights. To help you understand how to use hilly area in conversation or writing, here are some example sentences. We went hiking in a hilly area last weekend, and the views were breathtaking. She lives in a hilly area, so biking to work is quite a workout. The hilly area outside the city is known for its vineyards and charming bed and breakfasts. Notice how the phrase, hilly area, sets the stage for the listener or reader to imagine a certain type of terrain. In various cultures, hilly areas hold different significances. For instance, in literature, a hilly area might be the setting for a romantic novel or an adventure story. In geography, hilly areas are significant for their biodiversity and sometimes for their specific climates. In urban planning, hilly areas can present challenges for construction and development. Recognizing these different aspects can deepen your appreciation of the term and enhance your vocabulary. We hope this video has expanded your understanding of what a hilly area is and how to describe it in English. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the images and ideas they convey. We look forward to exploring more phrases with you in future videos. Keep practicing, and see you next time.